Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss a little bit about real-time wallboards, specifically the chart widget. Join with me over here where it says real-time wallboards. Top right-hand side, click New Wallboard, and then click Custom. Give it a title. Now notice that I created a new wallboard. This widget, like any other, can be added to that of an existing wallboard if you so desire. For sake of training, we're doing it from scratch. Right-hand side, you'll notice the chart widget, third from the top. Click there, click on the widget itself. It's going to produce on the right-hand side an option for a title. Let's call this chart. Also values. Very different in this widget so far. We have agent, account code, and call direction and skill. Okay, and most commonly, of course, are agent and skill. For simplicity's sake, we're going to select agent from the dropdown, and depending upon what I put here for value, will determine what I select from the dropdown. Since I selected agent, naturally I'll select agents. So select the first 4 agents here, click apply, and then down here it says metric. I can add a metric. Let's do inbound call count. Might be a good one to use for an agent value. I'll click apply. Now notice on the left-hand side where my widget is, I now have 4 agents displaying how many calls they have answered for today. Okay, just like that. Now let's just say I want to add one more metric to this, really see how these agents are doing overall. Click the plus button here and I can go missed. There we go, click apply. Now on the legend at the top, you'll notice that it has blue for missed calls and green for inbound call count. There are 0 missed calls, but there is a space for that bar to go up in real time as it happens. So good news, no missed calls for these 4 agents so far today. But if you go to design, you have other options. You have an area chart, horizontal bar chart, horizontal stacked bar chart, line chart, stacked area, and stacked bar. Those are options you can select here. I'll just show you really quickly in real time as it changes. Horizontal bar will keep it as that for now. Like any widget, you can go over here and you can select a background color. You can select a font. You can select the font size, the font color. You can even change the value. So in this case, let's say I want to make this purple. Okay, instead of the default green that it defaulted to. I want to make this one, let's say more of a red color, really stand out. Okay, now I have purple and red. I changed those colors per my specifications, just like that. Now to change the background of the chart, I can do that. I can change the border radius. If I want to have a softer edge on that, I'll go ahead and put a softer edge on that. Put a border style on that, just like that. Really make it pop, really make it stand out. And then the border color, which I'll keep black. That is it for the chart widget.